Learn English with Hania Amir.
And he said that I was shooting with my co-actor and she had a huge bruise on her face. And I was like, what happened to you?
Bruise meaning a dark mark on skin from a hit or injury. Example, he got a bruise on his arm after falling down.
So I think just being authentic really helps because
Authentic meaning genuine, real, and not false or copied, true to origin. Example, she prefers authentic Italian food over fast food.
to see what was happening or how tired I was getting or if it was taking a toll on me or not, I never stopped. So I think
Troll meaning someone who posts annoying or offensive messages online for attention. Example, he's just trolling. Don't take his rude comments seriously.
underwhelming your performance will be. When
Underwhelming meaning not as impressive or exciting as expected, disappointing or dull. Example, the movie was underwhelming. I expected it to be better.
there's a huge cast, so I was like, okay, what is my bit? And then I was told my bit, and
My bit meaning referring to something I'm responsible for or a personal task. Example, I've done my bit to help. Now it's your turn.
Did you read the novel?
yes, I did a run through. Yes,
Run through meaning quickly review, practice, or go over something in a short time. Example, we will run through the plan before the meeting starts.
so I get really excited, but it's really heartwarming to be honest to get so much love.
Heartwarming meaning causing feelings of happiness, kindness, or warmth, emotionally uplifting. Example, her thoughtful gesture was heartwarming and made everyone smile.
I can't claim it. He was the brains behind it, so he did it for.
Brain behind meaning the person who plans or organizes something important or successful. Example, she's the brain behind our company's latest marketing campaign.
Yes.
But apart from that, whoever, it's quite ridiculous actually.
How
Ridiculous meaning something that is very silly, unreasonable, or deserving of laughter. Example, the idea of running a marathon in the snow was ridiculous.
way? I actually think you got more wrong than right.
You will be so flattered.
I asked you to name him.
Flattered meaning feeling pleased or honored by someone's praise or compliments. Example, she felt flattered when her friend complimented her dress.
Is to have a successful woman not be villainized.
Villainized meaning to treat someone as a villain or bad person unfairly. Example, she was villainized for standing up for what was right.
कोई तुम्हें इंफीरियर फील कराए, तुम्हें डिसरिस्पेक्ट करे, मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता.
Inferior meaning lower in quality, status, or rank compared to others. Example, this product is inferior to the one we bought last time.